If you're planning to bring your parents or grandparents to Canada for long-term visits, the Super Visa is one of the best options available. Let us walk you through how the application really works, step by step. A Super Visa lets parents and grandparents stay in Canada for up to 5 years at a time, without needing to renew their status every few months. Think of it as the long-stay visitor visa, but with a few extra requirements. On average, bundling can save you around 10 to 20%, depending on your insurer and province. In Ontario, that could mean hundreds of dollars a year, but it's not a guaranteed deal for everyone. Before you apply, make sure you meet the basics. You, as the host, must be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. Your parents must be admissible to Canada and must complete a medical exam. And most importantly, you need to meet the minimum income requirement based on family size. Super Visa applications depend heavily on the host's financial situation. You'll need to provide your notice of assessment, employment letter, pay stubs, and a written invitation confirming you will financially support your parents during their stay. This is where most people get stuck. Your parents must have private medical insurance from a Canadian company, covering at least 1 year, with minimum coverage of $100,000. This isn't optional, and it must be paid upfront, not just quoted. All Super Visa applications are submitted online. You'll upload documents, proof of relationship, financial papers, insurance confirmation, and pay the visa fees. Processing times vary depending on the country, so it's smart to apply early. Your parents will be asked to complete biometrics at a visa application center, and in many cases, a medical exam. These steps are standard, they just help confirm eligibility and admissibility. Once approved, they'll receive a passport request to stamp the Super Visa. After that, they can travel to Canada anytime within the validity of their visa. At the border, the officer confirms the length of stay, typically up to 5 years. One of the biggest components of the Super Visa is the medical insurance requirement. At Begin Insurance, we help families compare plans from multiple Canadian insurers to find the right coverage for parents or grandparents, without overpaying for things they don't need. If you're starting your Super Visa application and need coverage that meets all IRCC rules, reach out to Begin Insurance. We'll walk you through the options and make sure you're set up properly from the start. Reach out to us today at 905-482-6666 or visit our website www.begininsurance.ca to get a quick quote. So what are you waiting for? Let Begin Insurance compare the market for you. Begin Insurance. Begin your tomorrow, today.